Welcome. Today you'll learn how to save web pages for offline use in the Google Chrome app, perfect for when you need access without an internet connection. This updated method is quick, simple, and works on most Android devices. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're connected to the internet for this step, since you'll need to load the page you want to save. Next, navigate to the web page you'd like to keep for offline reading. This could be an article, a recipe, or any information you want to access later when you're not connected. Once the page has fully loaded, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. Tap on those 3 dots to open a list of options. In the menu that appears, look for the small download icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing down into a line, sitting near the top of the menu. Tap on this icon. Chrome will immediately start downloading the page. You'll see a brief notification confirming that the page is being saved. After the download finishes, your page is ready for offline access. The next time you're without internet, simply open the Chrome app, tap the 3 dots again, and go to Downloads. Here, you'll find all the pages you've saved. Tap on any saved page to open and read it, even if you're completely offline. If you ever want to remove a saved page, just head back to the Downloads section. Tap the 3 dots next to the page and select Delete. This keeps your offline list tidy and ensures you only keep what you need. That's all it takes. With these steps, you can save any web page for offline use in the Google Chrome app, making sure important information is always at your fingertips, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.